Hi, my name is Erica Grant. I'm the founder and CEO of Quantum Lock Technologies. We're building the best in security for connected facilities and equipment. There are many different types of facilities on the planet which require access control to gain entry into the facility. Think keycard entry or even mobile access. These systems have significant security weaknesses. In some cases, you can even purchase a $20 device off of Amazon to copy someone's keycard and gain access to the building. These are legacy systems, and the industry is trying to move forward. And they're doing so by creating these cloud-based systems that have detection and monitoring capabilities. They're able to see who's been in the facility and when. This opens up the facility to even more security weaknesses. Physical security has now become a cybersecurity issue. All these new points in communication can be accessed as points of weakness by hackers. That's where Quantum Lock comes in. We create completely random and unpredictable digital keys which can be used on keycards, smartphones, or key fobs. We use something called a quantum random number generator. It's the only device on the planet which is able to do just that. We use these digital keys to protect every single point in communication for an access control system. We also have our connected ledger system, which allows us to see who's been in the facility and when, and monitor and detect all types of access. So we open up access control to this new age of monitoring and detection capability, but we do it so in a much more secure fashion. Through Innovation Crossroads, we have made a lot of traction, and it's a really exciting time for us. At the beginning of the program, we had a proof of concept prototype. Now we have several prototypes and have made significant product development progress. By the end of the summer, we hope to pilot with our first pilot customer. We're aiming to address the utilities market initially and quickly spread into other types of facilities which require keycard entry to gain access to the building. Our phase 2 will actually be to license the hardware side of what we're doing to lock manufacturers that are already building keycard readers. This will allow us to focus on our software, which has our secret sauce, and continue developing security innovations. Quantum Lock is a drop-in tech. Any facility that you can imagine with keycard entry or smart locks can use Quantum Lock. Think manufacturing facilities, hospitals and pharmaceuticals, even eventually hotels and smart homes. Since I started Quantum Lock back in 2018, we've received funding from a variety of sources. Initially, I went out and did pitch competitions and received $75,000 in grant funding from those business plan competitions. Then, by being accepted into the Innovation Crossroads program, we received the funding associated with the Department of Energy. $200,000 worth was able to be used directly for product development. And most recently, we finished our first tranche of our seed round, which was $600,000, with 2 investors here in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'd like to take a moment to thank our board of directors, which includes Randy Boyd, John Bruck, Larry O'Toole, and Peter Fior. I'd also like to thank the Innovation Crossroads team for helping to support Quantum Lock during this Innovation Crossroads program. I'd also like to add that we are currently raising $2 million in equity investment over the next 2 years for Quantum Lock to further product development and to increase sales and scale. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing the rest of the pitches.